Okay, so today I've been building the frame for my little shed here for the skirting. I've got material just like the bay stuff there to go around it. So what I do is just build a frame, and then we've got snaps all around. It'll hang and it'll fold under the bottom. Right here I just kind of have shims on each side. Kind of helps it stay in place in the real wind storms. And over here I've left a section that's going to be my door. The stuff I have has a zipper that opens. So it makes a nice little storage area for a bunch of our stuff. Okay, well, I got that front shed skirting on. Fits pretty good. I had to do a little bit of adjusting because we're in a slightly different spot and the rig is a little higher. This time I decided also, you can see here's where the snaps were, but I also decided to put some of these snaps with the screws right into the wood. I know the one winter here we were getting a lot of wind and this would billow out quite a bit. I think that'll help the skirting stay in place better. Got a little bit left to do. Gotta make myself a cover there. I can utilize these snaps there and put in a little cover. And a little bit of adjustments here and there. And I gotta add some tape. One trick I learned last time I was here is I use this zero residue tape from 3M. And I just go around all the top seams there. That way it kind of seals it a little bit more, but also water doesn't get in behind there. Because when it's really pouring here, and the rain is just blasting against there, you know, water can get down and gets underneath inside the skirting, and this just helps seal it. And I took it off, and it was a zero residue, worked really good that way. Anyway, here's my little door on this side. You can see there's zippers, 2 zippers on each side, and this door can roll up. I'll show you here. I usually only have to open one zipper to get in. Show you what we got here. A little space. So here's my little storage area. Here's my big bag that I use to store the skirting in. I'm also going to use the tape here and seal this in a bit better. But yeah, I can put my barbecue in here and our fire pit, that sort of thing. It'll warm up in here. Starting to cool down. Feel winter coming. Today is November 19th. Supposed to finally get some maybe weather that gets down below freezing towards the end of the month here. But I'll continue on. Next video maybe we'll go inside and show you what we do inside the rig to help us for winter. So next time, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.